What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review for you guys. Today I have a 2-for-1 because I have the reflective pair and I have the non-reflective pair. If you know what I'm talking about, make sure to comment down below. But here we go. I'm gonna hit you with the first box. 380s, and it is size 13 Peppa Yeezy Boost 350. And then over here we got the 380 Yeezy Boost size 13 Peppa RF Peppa Reflectives. So let's get into let's go with the Peppas first. Non-reflective Peppas first. I'm really confused on why. I mean, I guess I'm not too confused because Peppa's red and this shoe has nothing red on it, so they send extra laces, red extra laces with these. Interesting. I mean, I think it'd be cool if the shoe had a little bit more red in it, like Peppa, but I was confused on that, but I saw that kind of cool, I guess. You could switch it up a little bit, make it look a little different. But that is only if you cut this off, because you cannot take this off. So how would you put the laces on? I guess you could try to put it inside the same lace holes, but I don't know. It's just weird that they put extra laces with this shoe and you can't even remove the laces on this shoe without breaking this. You would have to literally cut this off in order to put the laces on. But you got your inside Adidas Yeezy. Let's see if it shows. Adidas Yeezy right there, right? No, Yeezy Adidas, same difference. But this shoe, it's alright. I thought it was gonna look better. I don't really like this stripe right here. I think it's a little too brownish, even though I like the blue oats. I don't know, I guess it's just me. But you know what, looking at it now, I didn't really give these much of a look when I got them. I just threw them in the closet and just kept it moving. It's actually not too bad. You got your outsole, your standard Yeezy 380 outsole. I mean, I would have preferred to get the aliens. I mean, this is kind of, did you see how I got the hints of like gray on there? See that? It's kind of like gray with like a, I guess it's supposed to resemble pepper, but don't really resemble pepper to me. I don't know what kind of pepper this is, but so yeah, like I said, the line there, I don't know. I would have preferred if they would have just kept it with this color, even on the outside, the same color, but they always throw it off a little. Kanye always got to throw it off a little. And the lace is kind of like a, I don't even know what you would call that, like a salty color, I guess. I don't know, they should have just called these the salt and peppers if you ask me, because it's kind of got like a resemblance of salt. And there ain't really much pepper to go on here except for these red laces that they sent with it. But anyway, that's so you got your Boost outsole, you got your insole that is of course not stitched on there, just on there. You got your size tag, which comes on the inside, which is a weird spot to put the size tag, but I guess that works for them. It's kind of like a sticker almost. I can almost peel that sucker right off. Anyway, then of course you got your perforated holes. These are all perforated. There are holes in there mixed in with some non-holes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can't see that because my camera's pretty good, but anyway. And yeah, so you got this. I like the blue oats. I wore the blue oats like a week back. It was comfortable. I actually went to Museum of Ice Cream, and so I did a lot of standing, a lot of walking in there, and they held up pretty good. The comfort was there. Was excited about that because I was looking for something comfortable when I'm walking out. This looks like a yellowed outsole, and then you got the black inside. The more I look at it, the more I actually start to like this damn shoe, which is weird. But I still, this stripe, I don't know, this mesh plasticky stripe is just killing me with that color. I wish it was this color for real. But let me see, let's get out the reflective pair. See if we can see any differences. See much of difference there. Maybe they look a little, let's see if you guys can see anything. Reflective is in my right hand, non-reflective in the left. Do y'all see any differences there? I don't really see anything different. Let me face it towards me. Actually, yeah, you can see. The reflective pair is a little bit darker, like the, see if y'all can see that. See how the grays on the toe box are a little bit darker? Because they meshed, they wove in that 3M reflective material on these boys. So that's what gives it that look. 3M reflective look there. So it's actually a little bit more woven in. It's a good shoe. I mean, they're gonna be comfortable. Boost is probably the most comfortable thing that there is out there for anybody that wants to wear something comfortable out in the streets. And like, if you're really gonna be walking around a lot, I would suggest Boost myself. Nike does have some shoes, but you gotta really like find those shoes. A lot of times those are the running shoes. I don't think anybody's really running in these, but and I mean the running shoes are pretty cool too, but a little bit darker shade on the 3M reflective one compared to the regular one. See that? And then you can see that it's a little bit darker on this one. And obviously the 3M, if you don't know what 3M looks like, let's get into that right now. I am going to hit the light on my phone, turn that on, and I'm going to shut off the light right now. So it's going to look dark, but it's just for the video. So let's see if it pops up. See if you guys can see anything reflective on there. I'm not really sure if it's popping up or not. Can't tell from the video. But if it doesn't show, then I will just take a picture and post it right here. I'm probably not gonna keep these. I'm not too sure. I got the blue oats. This is like a lighter blue oat with this ugly, I don't even know what color that is. It's not an orange. I cannot name that color. It's just very weird. But you know, Kanye comes out with all these weird colors, gives them weird names. Like this does not resemble pepper to me. Like pepper, salt and pepper maybe, but pepper, not pepper. This is pepper. I don't think this is pepper. I don't know. Just a weird color combo to give it that name. That's weird. There's actually different size. Ah, I see what they did here. That's interesting. Check this out, guys. If you look at the piece right here on the heel, which one's the reflective? The reflective is which one? I got lost here. Okay, the reflective is, this is the reflective. So let's do it with these two so that we could get this right. Okay, now, if you look at the reflective in the back, I don't know if you guys can see the reflective pair's little tab right here is shorter. Do you see that? Not shorter, it's not as wide as this one. Look at that one. That one's a little bit wider. So I guess that's one little difference that they made so that you could tell also when it's reflective and non-reflective and probably real and fake reflectives. Because I'm pretty sure they don't, the China market or whoever's replicating these pairs are not gonna really notice that, but I noticed that right now, that this one on the reflective is a lot less wide than the than the non-reflective. The non-reflective has a wider tip there, and it goes down to the inside. Oh yeah, it goes down to the inside too. It's not as wide. It's yeah, it's slimmer. Look at that. It's a lot slimmer on there. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's one way to stop the fakes. Well, if you know that. Which I just gave you a little gem there with that one. So, if you guys like this video, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.